Hi everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. We are checking out a 1966 Chevelle Malibu Clone SS, a 136 VIN car with a 396 automatic 3-speed transmission. Just been done about 2,500 miles ago. It's sitting on beautiful US mags with 20-inch tires all the way around with plenty of tread left on it. It's got just a great stance. Iconic. It's got that beautiful black top on there in good shape all the way through. Just done right. Look how straight the body is. We'll get up and personal in a little bit. Let's do a little quick walk around. All your lights are working, brake lights, turn signals are working. Horn is in op and the heater is in op. It's a beautiful looking car. Butternut yellow is done. Priced right. All your chrome in front is in good shape. Looks like it's fresh. All the chrome around the bezels, badging and grill SS are in good shape. Your hood lines up good. Love the 66 hood. Got little nose on there. Front fender, good shape. Again, 396. Turbo jet, badged. Lines up good with your mirror. Front glass, I found one little chip here. Just a little chip. Wipers are intact. Little bit of pitting on the chrome. It's original here. Got that great vent window. All your glass on the passenger side and driver's side are good. Door to the rear quarter lines up good. No paint flaws that I'm seeing inside there. I'm trying to get down and close. Really clean underneath. Let's take a look so you see. Nice set of headers on here, great exhaust. Just set up nicely. Rear chrome bumpers in good shape all the way through. Again, with the badging of the SS 396, all your lights are intact. Trunk line's up nice. Antenna's intact. Rear glass is good. Chrome around there is good. Nice fit and finish on this side. So far, so good. Rear quarters in good shape. These wheels are just beautiful. Sets it off, US mags. Got a little scratch here. Oh no, just dirt. Okay. Lines up the way it should. Like I said, glass sport mirror all the way throughout. No real scratches. This is just dirt. Okay. I did it when I drove it. I just drove it. It drives great. Tight. No stories. No funky noises. Let's check inside the interior. All your weather stripping's good all the way throughout. Back seat's got the seat belts intact. Interior's like really good shape. Your rear deck's good. Your headliner's in good shape. Dome light is working. Nice feature. Front seat and passenger seat belts are intact. Door panel's good. Door sill. And inside here, no rust to be found anywhere. Carpets are in good shape. All the way down in here, good. All your weather stripping, good. Aftermarket gauges. Your dash pad's in good shape. Sun visors are intact. I don't think the radio's working. That's an easy one. Automatic with the center console. Car is reading 79,338 miles. Steering wheel's in good shape. Really nice. Go around to the other side real quick. Check out that door. Again, door panel's in good shape. Door sill. Really clean. This car's right around $45,000. Very good value for what's out there. Just a great, solid, nice car. Look how nice it is. Great color combo, especially with that top. Let's fire it up. Okay. Find the right key. Fumble it around. Okay. Trunk's in good shape. Weatherstripping's good all the way throughout. Sounds good. Really clean under here. You got an aluminum radiator. Look how nice that is. Got the high-rise manifold, power steering, power brakes, all done right. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Headers. If you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, please go directly to my website, to mgmclassiccars.com. Fill out the application where it says apply now. Generally 10% down, up to 84 months. If you're a 740 and above, you're going to go to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Fill out the application. Sometimes no money down, up to 84 months, good rates, approval within 24 hours. If you need any kind of help with shipping, we ship all over the United States, opened and enclosed. Please call me or text me. My name is Earl at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. I've got over 120 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. You could go to my website, mgmclassiccars.com, 100 photos, videos. It's just some great stuff on there, so pick out what you like. Also, we are located in Addison, Illinois. We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturdays from 10 until 2. By appointment only. You can reach me to get that appointment at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also like us on Facebook at mgmclassiccars.com, Tri-State Auto Wholesalers. Please keep checking us out, and you'll see me soon. Thank you.